Unit 3, Part 2, Food Signs. I'm going to move this. Food, drinks, want, buy, modified O, buy, go, come. Apple with an X, apple. Bacon with 2 U's, bacon. Banana, peel. Beef or meat, beef or meat. Berry or cherry. Bread, bread. Burrito, fold, fold, bite. Butter, cake or cake, cake or cake. Candy, carrots. Cereal, cheese, 2 5s, cheese. Cookie, with a claw like a cookie cutter, cookie. Twist, twist, twist. Corn, 1, twist, corn. Crackers, knock on your elbow. Donut with an R, donut, and then you go ooh. Donut. Egg, 2 U's, egg. French fries is FF, French fries. Fruit, grapes. Gum, gum. Hamburger, hamburger, and then cheese, burger. Honey, circle on your chin, honey. Hot dog, sausage. Ice cream with an S, and then your non-manual marker is your tongue out slightly. Ice cream. Ketchup, and then mustard is yellow ketchup. Lemon, lemon. Lettuce or cabbage. Melon, that's an 8 hand shape, melon. Mushroom, with a claw, mushroom. Nuts, A hand shape. Onions, with an X hand shape, onions. Pasta, with eyes, pasta. Peach, this hand shape, peach. Peas or beans, peas or beans. Pepper, like you're sprinkling on pepper, pepper with an F. Pie, slice, slice, like you're taking out a piece of pie, slice, slice. Pineapple. Pizza, either pizza, ZZA, or pizza. Popcorn, like 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, popcorn. Potatoes, double X hand shape on an S, potatoes, potatoes. Pumpkin is an orange melon, with an 8 hand shape. Rice, fingerspelled, in an arc, rice. Salad with 2 claws, salad. Salt, 2 V's, salt. Sandwich. So your non-dominant hand is a bent, well, it's a modified O but open. Then your dominant hand is a modified O. Sandwich. Strawberry, pull from your mouth with an F. Strawberry. Sugar. Sushi. U and a C. Sushi. Taco. Your shell is your non-dominant. Taco. Toast. Okay, there's a V. Closed 5. This side and then that side. Toast. Tomato. Tomato. Vanilla. Vanilla. Vegetables with a V. And it twists. Vegetables. And then water. Melon. So it goes water with a W. Melon. Okay. Let's see if I can move this out of the way wherever it can go. Okay. So food descriptions. Delicious is with 8s. Delicious. And it kind of rubs like this. Delicious. Delicious. Yummy. Rub your stomach. Spicy is 5. You wiggle, and then your non-manual marker is spicy. Sour, bitters with a 1, and then your face shows bitter, like bitter. Sour. Same sign. Bitter, sour. Oops. Sweet. So sugar, 1 time, sweet. Greasy. Okay, with an 8 and then a closed 5, greasy, like it's dripping off. Okay, let me move this over here. Healthy comes forward. Healthy. Healthy. Melts, modified O's to A's. Melts. Melts. Now, crunchy. Okay, this is like your teeth, your mouth. Crunchy. Okay, now chewy is kind of the same sign, but you add a non-manual marker, which is you chewing. So, crunchy, crunchy. Chewy is you chew. Okay? Flavorful is taste, 1 time. Taste, strong. Flavorful. Flavorful. Okay. Ew. 25 handshakes. Ew. Shake. Ew. And then disgusting is with a claw, your chest. Disgusting.